Super manager. Konye ne boy.
Bad man.
First of all, I would like to take this opportunity and thank you very much, Airtel, for appreciating my deeds. And for, first of all, giving me the chance and the opportunity of being the brand ambassador of Airtel. Yes. Before president, I love I'm more than this. I would like also more than this. I would like also to welcome my fellow workmates, British Melody and the band. As the big musicians on the Rwanda, also just I would like to appreciate what they did, what they do, and I would like just as the brand ambassador who started before them, I say that Airtel is clear and green rhyme, and I would like to welcome all of Rwanda to use this company, and because it is where you get the price which are not expensive for all people of East African, personally, I mean particularly people of Rwanda. The game changer. The game changer. Okay. Abanyarwanda batabyumvishije Airtel ubungubu niho bibera. Airtel umuntu wese ushaka tugira slogan ivuga ngo Airtel ni umurongo uduha ibirenze kandi bidahenze. Ibirenze kandi bidahenze. Bakakanya ndashimira abahanzi b'abanyarwanda bakomeye na Debeni n'abahanzi batwaye music yacu kuri international level. Of course tugomba kubyemera kandi nanjye uba bavuze ngo niba najya gukorana n'abo bantu izina ryanjye urumva ko nanjye
ikindi yarabajije niba dufata super manager nk'umuhanzi njye mufata nka brand ambassador wa Airtel cyane cyane ko aricyo cyatuzanya aha
Wadabahu. Some of them influence. It's a big deal, man.